If you don't have the enough money to buy the Learn Master provided by the CompTIA, so there is a guide, a study guide or ebook you can purchase. The ebook will be displayed like this. Okay, there is a option for the launch the ebook. So ebook will be launched and you can application which is used to read your books. So here you can bookmark particular any particular want to bookmark, so you can do it. Anything is, if you want to highlight, you can highlight this for the later on, so you can do your study. Means as in at the time of the creating, at the time of the reading book, you can create notes as well. So this is very good things in a this ebook. Okay, so if you want to write anything, so this book also provide you the resource, so you can download like your guide, you can download your presentation PPT, study notes, and also you can download your ebook. So ebook can be downloaded. So how you can find how it will be displayed when you download the ebook. So I am showing you inside the CompTIA. Here it is. This book is looks like that. This is actually the instruction guide for the Linux Plus. So this book looks like this, and also whenever you will open this file, in the starting there is all the contents, lesson topics are provided here. So you can go on the specific location and where you can start your study. Not only this, this book actually copyright, you cannot share this book because it is the written here license only for the Vijay Kumar used. Okay, so this type of the ebook you will find. Not only this, also the other things will be here also, like student guide I have, instruction guide I have, and also the one more thing is a command reference guide for the Linux. This is very good option when you buy the book. So it is very good when you are do the study of the Linux. So here is all the commands or reference are given here, so you can do your practice by using the lab, CompTIA lab. You can use CompTIA lab. Otherwise you can do the practice on your ebooks, similar as most of the ebooks are the similar. So you can just buy the ebook, you will get a license code which you can dream. You will, when you will buy this particular ebook, you will get a license code and how to redeem that particular code. All the instruction will be written.